Good morning, ma'am. I said the embassy have some of the nicest set of people I've ever met in all of my life. Yes, ma'am. Just have all of my dockets them right here, so. Me have me passport right here, so. Me have me driver's license, the school ID. Me have my school ID, me TRN number, and me have me. Oh, this is my birth certificate. Yes, man, from 1935. Me have all of me insurance policy. Me have me. Me have me all of my water rate them into this, and me have me light bill to here.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Lady me the ear for the first time, you know. I was so good for the morning. Look how long enough me I wait outside.
May I have your ID, sir?
You know, see well. So look at my face.
Sir, I need a government issued ID.
Me said that little place that on a difficult with that passion. See it there. See it there, see it there, see it there, see it there. I want to talk to the manager. What kind of customer service this? Wanna see what she does though? I told me want to get through to this, so I'm going to get back, you know. See it there, man. See it there.
And what is your occupation, sir?
Me working in a solid waste management. Me manage all of the properties them you see in Jamaica. All of the properties there.
Are you saying that you are a garbage collector?
Oh yes, you can call it that also.
Sir, what is your occupation?
So, why that important, miss? Next thing I go on if a board house or a concrete house we live in. How much people live in there?
No, sir, just your occupation.
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that.
Me work on garbage truck. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, on this slip of paper, you'll find our decision. Have yourself a nice day.
Okay, ma'am. So, what denied me, miss? Denied?
Is there a problem, sir?
Oh, no, miss. No, miss. No, there's not a problem. Miss, it's a 25,000 on the payment.
Excuse me, sir?
Oh, sorry. That's my allergy, miss. There's not a problem. That's my allergy. My allergy affect me some of the time.
Okay, enjoy.
So when we can reapply back, miss? We can reapply back?
You can reapply within another 6 months.
Oh, that's my allergy, mom. That's my allergy. It take long for the thing, you see? Thank you.
Sir, after perusing your documents, we regret to inform you that your application has been denied.
What you just said to me a while ago, lady? Your perfume document we are your perfume document we are trying some document then think that you some work on garbage truck.
Sir, not perfume. After reviewing your documents, perusing your documents.
So you never say reviewing from the first place. Me said that little place are difficult, you see. That you know go a university.
Don't shout at me, sir. You with your one sexy subject, don't shout at me.
They come and use big word from people. Well,
Sir, enjoy the rest of your day.
me want back my money, me want back my $1,000. Me want talk to a manager.
I regret to inform you that the manager is in a meeting, sir. You can always complete the customer survey or send in your suggestion.
Me say if TVG and CBM not hear about this, me I got social media today. Them a hear about it on the TV and lie and
on Twitter and Instagram.
Watch that. You have mouth. Wait, watch me out now.